Voici que la tulipe, et voilà que les roses, sous le geste massif des bronzes et des membres.
You'd think this is from a parlor in the 19th century, but in reality, it's part of the afternoon tea and tour event at the Legislative Assembly of Ontario. It begins with giving guests an up-close look at the architecture, chamber, and art collection. This is followed by an English-style tea service and performance.
This afternoon tea program has been running in a pretty similar format since it first started in 1993 as part of the centennial celebrations for this Ontario Legislative building. And it's meant to entertain guests as if they're in a parlor setting in the 1890s.
This is probably one of the longest running shows in Toronto that's never been discovered. We started performing this as some of the staff here and as volunteers back in the 1990s. In fact, the first year I performed it was 1994. So off and on I've been performing this piece for 31 years now.
David Bogart is also part of the Legislative Assembly of Ontario's Triple PR team, which organizes the event.
And it brings a different atmosphere to the legislature. It embraces the sort of the spirit of the history of the building, brings some life to it with music and song. So it's been a lot of fun to bring that to life here.
While audiences are watching, they get to sip on either Earl Grey or orange pekoe tea and snack on scones, mini sandwiches, and other treats. Bogart explains the event is almost always sold out, with about 50 people attending each time it runs.
The whole experience is like a hug, to be honest with you. And I think that's what brings audiences back. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, do. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. And what's a lot of fun is to see them interacting with the show. What's different from an experience for an actor doing this is that the lights are up. They can see you, you can see them and their reactions. If they're singing along, even better. It just brings up the energy level.
This event happens on Friday afternoons on a monthly basis throughout the year, with some extra performances around the holidays. Plus, the performances adapt based on the season. To learn more information, visit ola.org. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Amanda Cupido.